Let's analyze the S&P 500 for today, Friday, March 11, 2022. This is a daily chart of the S&P 500. Nothing positive about today's session. It gapped up, pushed a little bit higher, and found resistance around 42.90. In fact, the high for the day was 42.91. That's the same level we've been watching for the last few days. As a matter of fact, I mentioned that if it traded above that level, 4,300, that it could be a good chance to go long. Well, today I had a chance to do that after a big gap up, but it failed. Instead, it sold off all day long. It trended lower all day long, basically. Let's look at the 5-minute chart so you can look at the price action. This is a 5-minute chart. See the gap, the beginning to your left? Gapped up and it traded lower all day long. Let's go back to the daily. Levels that I'll be watching on Monday will be, of course, that same level, the red zone, between 42.90 and 4,300. That's where the 10-day moving average is, the red line. If it happens the next couple of sessions, will definitely be a level of interest. On the lower side, south side will be the green zones. The first one will be 41.65. If it gets down there, I would monitor it very closely. Look at the price action to see if it can bounce from there. If it doesn't, then the other level would be below that, around 41.20, which was a low from 3 weeks ago. Anything in between, I'm not going to trade it. As you can see, it's been very choppy, and I think that will continue unless it goes above the levels I just mentioned, either the red zone or the green zones. What was very negative about today also is that it closed below the low of the last two sessions, and it finished near the lows of the day. Also keep in mind that it's very risky to hold overnight, especially over the weekend, so trade accordingly. Anyway, we'll see what happens on Monday. Thanks for stopping by.